I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing and organizing everything so editing moves fast. Open Alight Motion, create a 1920x1080 project at 30 FPS, then import your Gacha PNGs, backgrounds, and audio. Once done, make labeled folders for characters, BG, and SFX. This prevents confusion later. Drag a background to the timeline and place character PNGs on separate layers. Make sure to trim audio rough cuts now so you match beats later. This saves time when you animate expressions and cuts. Next, animate your characters and scene transitions. You'll add keyframes for position, scale, rotation, and opacity on each character layer. Ease in and out to make motion feel natural. Use masks and blend modes to create foreground and background separation, then parent props to characters for consistent movement. Scrub the timeline and place markers on audio beats so your poses or mouth movements hit on cue. Once synchronized, polish timing by nudging keyframes 2/6 frames for a snappier feel. Finally, render and troubleshoot before posting. Export as 1080p, 264 MP4 with a 612 Mbps bitrate for crisp upload. If animation looks jittery, add subtle motion blur or increase keyframe spacing and retime easing. This smooths choppy motion. If layers go missing or show pink textures, relink the source files in project settings and clear cache. Make sure audio and video stay in sync. If they drift, re-export using a fixed frame rate and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.